ಇದು ವ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತಾ?
ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ವ್ಯೂ.
ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ವ್ಯೂ.
ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ವ್ಯೂನೇ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು.
ಹೌದಾ? ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ? போலாமா? Hi everybody, welcome back. I hope you're doing well and safe. It's a freaking cold morning in Bengaluru. Temperature is 14 degrees and it's insanely cold. We just started our ride. The plan is start up at 6, so the meeting point is going to be Hebbal ST Mall. So we plan to meet up at 6 o'clock today, and we are riding to Avalabetta, which is I think 95 kilometers from my place. So it's going to be a decently long ride, close to 200. Man, these lights are doing magic, and it's justifying for the watts, you know, it has. Bloody hell, I forgot my thermal and it's insanely cold. I'm literally shivering. I know that it's going to be like 14 or 13 degrees in the morning. It's been a while, I stepped out so early. Even the last night I stepped out quite late, and not at 5. Oh my god. This is the real winter. This is the real winter of Bengaluru. And it's nice actually, so if you're just prepared by wearing thermal, it should be fine, but I just forgot to wear the thermal lino. I thought it's going to be okay, but it's not. So this is going to be an interesting breakfast ride because I'm riding with most of the riders who I don't know. We just met on Instagram and we thought, you know, it's a collab. There's another YouTuber who's going to join us today, so I have Sanjay with me who's also joining, and then Sandesh, you'd have seen him in the last second vlog that I posted recently. So we're riding towards the airport road today. So this place is, I think, after Devnali. So I think from Devnali it's about 50 or 45 kilometers. So which is why we're riding on the airport road today, and hence the meetup point as Hebbal. So that'll be a common meetup point for everybody. Okay, I've almost reached ST Mall. I don't know where exactly they are. I think it should be them. Hi bro. What time you reached? ಹೌದಾ, ನೋಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಗಾಡಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. How are you? All good? It's insanely cold. Hi bro.
My friend Praveen.
Hari. That's Sanjay. ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ರಿ ನೀವು?
ನಾನು 5:55 ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಓಕೆ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ, 5 minutes.
ಓಕೆ.
ನಾವೇನಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವನ್ನ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಇಬ್ರು. I'll just call them. All right, everybody is here. Time to start the ride. So it's 6:24 right now. We're late by 20 minutes, which is okay. Yeah, I'll lead. Okay, so it's 5 of us today. I just got to know that the count of riders who are joining today. And look at the climate, man. I'm in love with this climate. I was just waiting for this kind of vibe, you know, from a very long time, since the time winter hit Bengaluru. This ride is going to be fun for sure, at least for the next 2 hours. I don't think I'll probably be able to see the sunrise. Let's see. It's completely fogged up. Just look at that. Look at those buildings. So probably stop here for breakfast. So this is the lineup today. We have two Himalayans, 390 Adventure, Interceptor, and a Duke 250.
GoPro.
He's got 7. 7 is also good actually.
Payment is 9, is it?
9, yeah.
Is it 9 or 9 Pro?
9, no Pro now, like. Yeah, only 9. Alright, done with the breakfast and back on the highway. Another 56 kilometers to Avalabetta. I don't know the timings of this place. There are some restrictions because there was some incident that happened recently. There was a suicide that happened, so I don't know. Let's see. I don't mind even if it's closed. I'm enjoying the ride, so as other riders. It should be okay. But let's see, let's hope for the best. If it's open, well and good. If it's not, then take it easy. All that matters is the ride. Finally some sunshine. So we have to take a slight left here, and this goes to the Avalabetta hill, basically. Another 16 kilometers, so it's going to be a state highway. Bro, this road is a little bit scenic. We took another left on that state highway. So this directly goes to the Avalabetta. We'll probably stop somewhere to click some pictures, maybe. Just waiting for a good location. Probably click some pictures here. Some pictures. ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? Okay, another 7.9 kilometers. We click some good pictures. You follow me on Instagram to see those pictures. Probably. It's still cold when we stopped. Everybody's shivering here. The temperature is 15 degrees here, man. Can you believe it? There is sunshine, but it's cold. It feels like Ooty or Kodaikanal, to be honest. The sunshine is not helping though. Yeah, that's Avalabetta. Sir, betta open idya? Betta open idya? Okay sir, thank you. Okay. Got a confirmation. It's open. A lot of vehicles, man. Oh my god. ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಇದೆ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು? 2 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. So the bikes are parked there. This is the parking of Avalabetta. We have to trek about 2.5 kilometers. Now that's going to be fun. But the climate is good, so it shouldn't be tiring. So when I visited 2 years ago, they used to allow vehicles to reach on top. Now they've stopped it. I don't know for what reason. Probably they don't have space for the parking. We have to now trek for 3 kilometers. See, this was the path. I remember taking a bike to the hilltop. And again there is trekking from there as well. You have to, there's a temple on top as well. We'll see that in a bit. What's up, boys?
Hello.
These are the two riders who've joined our club.
He's a pro rider. I'm a noob. He's a pro.
Everybody's a pro rider in our group.
And one more rally rider is going there.
Sanjay, huh? Look at this path, guys. It gives a feeling of you're trekking into a forest. Really nice. If you love trekking, you can visit this place, especially early in the morning.
Sir, sir, need the singing power.
Masculine power adu. Need this. Namdala carb.
650 ಅಲ್ಲ ಸಿಸಿ
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರೊಬ್ಬರೇ
ಆರಾಮ್ ಸೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ 650.
So we're going there right now. I don't know if GoPro is capturing it. I'm trying to point it there. So that's the temple. They could have easily allowed the bikes to go, man. This is one hell of a pain.
ಇಡ್ಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪವರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು. ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
One pro tip: do not eat idli and come to this place. Have neer dosa and be motivated looking at this guy. So if you come by a bike, we can park our bikes here actually. So this is the actual parking before, and the actual trekking starts from here.
ನೆಲವನ್ನು ನರಕ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಡುತ್ತದೆ. ನೆಲವನ್ನು ವಾಯುಮಂಡಲ ಮಾಡಿದಂಗೆ
Since we had to park it there, we had to trek from there.
ವಾವ್. ಸೂಪರ್ ವಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್.
ದೇವರೇ ನಮಗೆ ಪಕ್ಷಗಳಂತೆ ಹಾರಲು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಲವನ್ನು ನರಕ ಮಾಡದಂತೆ ವಾಯುಮಂಡಲವನ್ನು ಕುಳಗೆಡಿಸಿ ಬಿಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ತಡೆಯವಾಗಿ ಧೂಮಪಾನ.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಇದು? ನಮ್ಗಲ್ವಾ?
ಯಾರು ಬ್ರೋ ಇದು? ನೀವ ಬ್ರೋ ಇದು? ನಿಮ್ಗ ಅದು? So this is the temple on top. ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಾ? ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. Look at the view, guys. Beautiful, isn't it? I think it's worth it. Half the mountains are covered fog.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿನೂ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾರನ್ನೂ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ಗೇಟೇ ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ ಆಟ.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So I was saying the viewpoint is closed because of some incident that happened. I was telling you, a girl slipped and she fell. So which is why I think they've blocked all the gates here. Can you see? It's an illegal entry, is prohibited. But let's just try, take a picture and see if we can go there. I was told there are cops there, so let's see.
Nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
First phase done. The view was amazing. It was invisible.
Camera was
because
not allowed.
because of fog, it was invisible.
Come on, bro. Hari Haran. Oh. Yo. ಒಂದು ವ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತಾ?
ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ವ್ಯೂ.
ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ವ್ಯೂ.
ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ವ್ಯೂನೇ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು.
ಹೌದಾ? ತೆಗೆದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. So apparently the entry is prohibited, so we couldn't go on top and see the viewpoint. But we can go to the hilltop through that route, but that's not worth it. It's just like this, the same view to get on top. It's just that it'll be too windy over there, so we're thinking not to go there. I think we enjoyed the trek and the ride. We tried our best to go there, but the cop didn't allow us, so yeah, can't help it. All right, done with this place. Not as we expected. It was a disappointment that, you know, the viewpoint was closed, but still we had fun talking to each other, having good conversations, riding in the cold climate in the morning, and then trekking. So it was a complete day for us, though it was all about, you know, fun conversations and trekking and everything. I hope you liked it. If you did, do give me a thumbs up, do share it and subscribe down below, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.